Hello friends, welcome back to Rachel's Recipes and Vlog. Today we are going to share our last minute Christmas preparations with you. This is the first time we are celebrating Christmas outside India, so we thought of making it as special as possible. Every time my parents and my in-laws will make all delicacies during Christmas season, but this time it's just us here in Singapore, so I have to make some of the delicacies which I know. But it turned out great. I made some murukku, sharkarapara, laddu and cakes. Since we didn't get much time capturing every video, I took clips here and there. I couldn't share all the recipes here, but whatever we have made, I'm just sharing. So if you're interested in knowing the recipes of the same, please feel free to comment in the comment box below. The plum cake turned so soft and fluffy. This is without any wine or rum. I made 3 of such cakes and everyone just loved it. There was still some shopping left for us to do, so we went to the shopping mall. One of the reasons that everyone loves Christmas and any other festivals are mainly due to the sale. Everywhere you can see a lot of offers going on. This is the kids section. You can see those small tiny vehicles covered here. If you come in the evening, the kids will take one vehicle each and just go around the malls. It's a sight to watch. We were so hungry, so we went to the Kopitiam. Kopitiam is nothing but a food court. We get all cuisine starting from local cuisine to international one. We already had in mind what we are going to have today. We wanted to try the carrot cake, and this is one of our favorites as well. There is a Thai culture and kebabs and biryani. Similarly, we have Malaysian cuisine and other cuisines as well. We usually try the kebabs and biryani, but for a change, this time we wanted to try the carrot cake. There is a movement here in Singapore to allow people having healthy eating habits. The 365 Rewards app allows us to scan the barcode and it will give some gifts in return. There is a 2 stamp collected because the white radish cake is a healthy dish considered here in Singapore. This recipe is made of rice flour and white radish. The mixture is steamed and then cut into cubes and fried with garlic, eggs and preserved radish called chai po. It tastes better with the sauce served along with the white radish cake. There is also a black version, but we don't like that because of its sweetness. And in Singapore, you are only allowed to remove your mask while having the food. That's my husband enjoying the hot carrot cake. I was enjoying the carrot cake with a cold sugarcane juice. And some more shopping. My hubby wanted to try out some jackets. In Singapore, though the climate is a bit humid, inside the malls and everywhere we go, it's all fully air conditioned. So he wanted to get some nice jackets which keep him warm. I love this blue jacket. It is cotton jean and looks classy with any t-shirt. This was a bit small, so he wanted to try another size. I got a nice cardigan and I was looking for some tops. After the clothing, we head towards the supermarket as we need to buy some more stuff. I love Christmas and I don't want the season to end. Everywhere you go, you could see all those decorations. On the day of Christmas, we had friends visiting us. For dinner, we served fried rice, chicken roast, chicken 65, and chakka payasam. My friends brought beef roast as well as chicken cutlet. Really had nice time praising the Lord for all His thankfulness throughout this year and for giving everyone a wonderful Christmas. We also had friends who visited us after Christmas, but they don't eat non-veg, so I made gobi 65, cold salad with fruits and veggies, peas pulao, and paneer butter masala. Also for the kids, I made some pasta. For dessert, I made panna cotta. This is the first time I am trying this Italian dessert. It turned out so good and the kids loved it. And that's how we spent our Christmas. I'm sad that Christmas has come to an end for this year, but yes, we have one more next year. These are some of the decorations that we did in our little apartment. These are some of our collections. We love collecting all these beautiful little toys. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you also had a very great Christmas. We also wish you a happy new year. If you like our channel, please do not forget to subscribe so that you get all notifications.